Yeah, this is David Talbot. I'm CTO of WorkMovr. And let's talk about addresses and maps. I mean, we think the best thing about Caspio is the connectivity. So we use Caspio REST APIs to go direct to the Google Maps APIs to get the addresses. And so let's type in an address. And the great advantage is you can just start typing and it fills in the whole address. And these addresses, remember, are validated addresses. And it also saves from the old days when you had to like type in a drop down from the city, a drop down from the state, those sorts of things. So let's try it. 118 East 82nd, and here we are, East 82nd Street, New York, okay? And then it looks up, and this is great because it looks up, country, state, and zip code, really good here. For USA, looking up the county is pretty important because we use the county for a lot of legal work, legal property addresses and lawsuits and whatever. So sometimes we need the county to look up sort of current lawsuits. Latitude and longitude, we use that for driving instructions and things like that. And another thing that's really good, we use on phone calls, in and out phone calls, what's the local time of the person you're calling? You don't want to call them at like 2 o'clock in the morning. And remember that, all the time zones changing. Arizona doesn't change its time, for instance. Tennessee's split on the time zone. So this looks up the time zone when we need to, for instance, on expiration dates of parking tickets, for instance, we look up the time zone from there. So this is just really great. And it works internationally. When I used to live when I was a little boy, 28 the Spinney, Portchester with the name. Okay, here. I mean, amazing, right? I mean, this is where I used to live in England, and we get the big thing here. Get the postcode. Okay, it's really great, and time zone and whatever, and yeah, this is where I used to live, and so yeah, we love Google Maps and also the Caspio interconnectivity with Caspio REST APIs. So thanks very much, then. Bye bye.